Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable or turn off emojis within the Flash Party game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Flash Party game on your device. And once you have been taken into the main menu, you can start your battle right away by clicking on the battle option or pressing the space key. Now, before starting your match, if you wish to turn off or disable the emoji feature, then in order to change this, click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then go into settings. From the settings window, go into game from the left side. And now you will see various different options, including the block emojis. This toggle is turned off by default, which means emojis will be enabled. So just tap on this toggle and make sure that it is checked. After this, you can go back and all of the emojis within the game will be blocked. You can now start playing your game. If at any point you wish to switch it back on once again, you can go back into the same page, and from the game settings menu, you can once again turn off the block emojis button. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off or block emojis on the Flash Party game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.